This is Sarah at Scrapbook.com, and today I'm going to be showing you 4 new stencil designs that we have. I'm going to start with the first one. This is Mod Asterik, and as you can see, it is perfect for snowflakes, for retro designs, for twinkly lights, kind of anything like that. Our stencils are very high quality. If you've used them before, you know that they work really well with all kinds of different mediums. I'm going to show you how each of these stencils looks when you blend with our domed foam blending tool on a piece of cardstock. So let's get started. I'm going to grab a small piece that I've cut out here and lay it down on my Make Art station. And I love these stencils because you can kind of move it around and decide what pattern you want on your card to make each time you use it super unique, which I love. And I'm going to be using Scrapbook.com hybrid ink pads in some of my favorite colors. So first I'm going to use Mermaid. If you haven't used these blending tools, they're really easy to use. You just roll them around and get some ink on them. And then you can just do little circles. I like to let my ink, I mean, we're all different, but I like to let my ink run out on my card. So I get kind of an ombre effect all the way down. They get lighter and lighter and lighter. You can also just lessen up your impression too. Alrighty, let's lift and reveal. And it's such a fun kind of snowflake looking design. So that is the Mod Asteriks. You can find that one at Scrapbook.com as well as the ones I'm about to show you. The next one I want to show you is a Little Sunny, and I am so obsessed with this one because it's beautiful sunshines. I love it. Also, I just thought of this right now, but you could probably somehow turn it upside down and make little eyes. It looks kind of like eyelashes, but anyways, that's not what it was made for. That's just an idea. I'm not going to blend this one on camera for you because we already did it with our metallic inks, which you see right here. This is the gold, and this was our stencil with the metallic ink. So it's a Little Sunny. You can find this one at Scrapbook.com as well. Our next one is for all of you kitty cat lovers or animal lovers in general, and that is the Kitty Cat Stencil. And as you can see, there's all of these darling kitty faces. So I'll go ahead and show you what this looks like with a little bit of ink and our blending tool. And again, you can move it around to get the kitty faces exactly where you want them. You can also just use it if you just want one kitty face. So I'm going to try that, maybe just one kitty face here in the middle. Okay, I'm going to use Surfboard, or another really fun color from the Scrapbook.com hybrid ink family. I love this one. Once you have it saturated to your happiness, you can go ahead and start inking. You can kind of pat at it, you can rub it around. Just get that nice and inky. And I just want the one kitty face, because why not? And voila, we have a cute kitty face that was made with the Kitty Cat Stencil that you can find at Scrapbook.com. Then I have one more to show you, and this is another one if you love kitties and dogs. And lastly, we have the little Paws stencil, and this is perfect for any project, whether you're making a layout about your pet, you're making a card to congratulate someone on a new pet, or even a sympathy card to show your sympathy. I wanted to show you a really creative way that this was used. On this Halloween tag, they used white, it looks like white pigment ink, but I'm not exactly sure, but they used some kind of white ink with the Little Paws exclusive stencil and created this fun kitty cat trick-or-treat tag. And if you can see closely, it's got googly eyes, which is really fun. Yeah, so really, really love all of the ways that you can use our new exclusive stencils. These are not the only exclusive stencils we have. We have tons of designs for different holidays, different events, different occasions, and you can use them over and over and over again. So make sure you check them out, these new ones, as well as all of our releases at Scrapbook.com.